Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Studio Mobile by clarifying the platform's current design and offering insights into accessing your projects. It's important to understand that Roblox Studio is an advanced development environment tailored specifically for desktop computers. This design choice supports complex building and scripting tools, requiring substantial processing power and screen real estate. We will explore what this means for mobile users wishing to engage with their creations. Roblox Studio is a robust tool, demanding significant resources that mobile devices typically cannot provide. Imagine working with hundreds of intricate parts or writing thousands of lines of code. This level of detail is best handled with a full-sized monitor. Furthermore, the precision offered by a physical keyboard and mouse is virtually indispensable for manipulating objects and navigating the three-dimensional environment effectively. These requirements solidify its place as a desktop-first application for creators. To be clear, there isn't an official Roblox Studio app that runs directly on your smartphone or tablet for development purposes. While you can certainly enjoy playing millions of immersive experiences and manage your Roblox account from any mobile device, the Creative Suite itself remains exclusive to personal computers. This distinction is crucial for setting realistic expectations about mobile access. Remember, the core tools for building are designed for a desktop operating system. If you absolutely need to interact with Roblox Studio from a mobile device, the only viable method is through remote desktop applications. This technique allows you to view and control your desktop computer's screen and applications, including Roblox Studio, directly from your phone or tablet. You are essentially streaming your desktop experience to your mobile device, not running the software natively. Reliable internet connectivity and a powerful desktop computer are non-negotiable for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.